Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you're here because today I know you guys are gonna love this haul that I have for you. I just thought I would pick out some items that I thought would be helpful for you if you're shopping for a Valentine's Day look, and I put together a couple of outfits too, so make sure you're staying tuned. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but in today's video I decided I don't really want to ramble that much because I have so much to talk about, so let's just get on in with it. So I was gifted all of these items by Boohoo, but I seriously love every single one of them. You guys love when you see these items on me and when I try them on, just so that you guys know what it looks like before you go ahead and buy them. So I got 2 pairs of shoes and I want to get that out of the way because I wear them like throughout the entire video. These are the first pair here. So they're these platform sandals. These are in the leopard print as well in a size 37, but I accidentally, well, I don't know if I accidentally, but I got this in wide. So it's made for wider feet and I personally have really narrow feet. So I actually think I'm gonna give this to my sister. I still wore them in the haul. I love them so much and I feel like they give me so much height. So the second pair of heels are these ones here. Now I love the way these fit. I think I'm gonna wear these tonight because I really love the way they look. They're super classic. I love that they have a strap that goes across the front and along the side, and they got a really chunky heel. So they're super easy to walk in. Now let's move on to my favorite part, which is clothes, of course. So the first item I want to show you guys is like this robe situation here. You can wear it kind of like a more kimono style by crossing the front and doing like a wrap, or you could leave it open and just wear it as like a jacket. I really like it because it pairs really well with the all white jumpsuit that I'm going to show you in just a little bit. But I really do love this. It's like a satiny material just to wear over like those more dainty types of dresses. Or I feel like this is a really good piece to just throw on over any of your dresses or your jumpsuits. So yeah, this is the first item. I got this all white bandeau style jumpsuit here. It doesn't have a wide leg. It's actually got a really tapered leg and it's a really great fit. The thing is, in the back, it's actually kind of like, it doesn't fit me super well because the thing is with jumpsuits, it's always hard. I have a curvier like top section, so either jumpsuits don't go all the way over or they don't go all the way over my butt too. So it just looks a little bit small on me. And again, I think I'm just gonna find someone to give this to because it's really cute. And just a quick like fashion tip, when you wear like all white things, especially when they're kind of more sheer like this, I would recommend wearing like nude Spanx or shorts, or even like nude seamless underwear that are kind of long like shorts, because you just don't want to have like people see through and see your butt or your underwear. I normally wouldn't go for something like this, but I got an all white bodysuit, and the only reason I did, being someone with a larger chest, like I said, it's always hard to wear something and then call it fashion when you have a larger chest and people think you just look like you're trying to show off all of your stuff. And that's never the case with me. I never try to wear stuff like, I want to wear deep V tops, but I always find that I look a little too showy and I don't like that look personally. That's just me. So I got a bodysuit for that reason. I feel like when I wear this underneath anything else that I wear, it just seems like I can get away with it a little bit more than if I was not wearing anything at all. Got myself a white bodysuit just because also the white color goes really well with the other tops that I have to show you guys today. But let's move on to one of my favorite tops, which is this one here. I am so excited to wear this. I'm actually gonna wear this tonight on my date night with my boyfriend. So this is just like a crochet lace top. I got it in a size 8 knowing that crochet doesn't really stretch. So the thing is, when you're shopping online, look at the material and try to look through the pictures and see like if the material looks like it's gonna be a stretchy top or if you want it to be a little bit more tighter fitting or this or that. So I knew that crochet doesn't stretch that much and I didn't want it to like be pulling, you know, on my like top front section, but I love the wide sleeves. It's huge. It's like a bell, and it's cropped, and then it's just got 2 buttons to bring up the mock neck. I just love this piece so much, and with the all white like trousers look too, I think it's really cute. So as I mentioned, I got myself some white trousers, which you will see all throughout the entire video paired with the tops that I got. And they're these ones here, and I am obsessed with these. So they are slightly big, but when I actually pair them with the shorts that I wear normally underneath like a lot of my dresses, it actually fits a little bit better. Now this is in a size US 8, and I think I should have gotten a 6 to be honest, so that it went around my waist, but the 8 doesn't hug my butt super duper tight, which I really like, because I feel like with white bottoms, getting something that really hugs your butt and like just goes into your crack is just like the worst. So one of my favorite outfits in this entire haul is this top and the white trousers with this blush top here, and I just love this top so much. It's so cute. I could definitely wear this open and wear something underneath it for sure, and just wear this like almost as a jacket. I feel like for the spring that'll be a really, really cute look. But I just love this top. And the color is this gorgeous mauve tone, dusty rosy pink, and it's just so beautiful. I got it in a size US 6. Which still, it runs pretty big. I feel like I could have even almost gone with a size 4, like I could have gotten away with it, but I feel like maybe the sleeves would have been a little bit tighter. So I'm happy with the 6, but just so you know, it runs a little bit big. So I got myself another bodysuit. I got this red one here. It's like in a wine color. I do love stuff like this just because it's easy to wear with a pair of wide leg pants or jeans or whatever, and you don't feel like your shirt's gonna come out of your pants or anything's gonna fall out if you're going for a super tight fitted look. Now this it definitely makes the girl say hi, makes my chest like, you know, look really, really nice for sure. So I wouldn't ever wear this like unless I was going out somewhere. But I do think it's a really, really nice top. I could see myself wearing this in the fall for sure too. Let's move on to my favorite item of this entire haul, which is this one shoulder dress here. Number one, this material is super duper stretchy, so easy to wear if you're going out and you're gonna eat a lot and everything like that, and you don't want your stomach to show. This is the best kind of dress for that. I love this part that goes over your arm. It just covers your sidearm. You know, like when you're taking a photo and then you like take it and then you're like, wow, I didn't know my arms were that big. That's how I feel a lot of the time. And just a quick like posing tip for that, if you rotate your shoulder out and then drop your shoulder a little bit, it hides the arm fat. Just putting that out there. But yeah, so I never like kind of put it on the side. I actually roll my shoulder back and then I pull it back like that, so you can kind of see the difference. But I don't need to pose a certain way because this covers it, which is so nice. Sadly, we're coming close to the end. I only have 2 more pieces to show you, but this one here, I didn't expect myself to get this. So it's just like a crochet lace dress, and now I'm not gonna lie, the fit is a little bit weird. Like the back strap is super loose, but then like the waist is really tight, and then when I try to tighten it with the straps, it just kind of has a very odd fit. But I will say, but it's super duper cute on, and I think if I had a smaller chest, it would fit a little bit better. Now, again, I think it's one that I'm gonna keep in my wardrobe just because I definitely wanna figure out how I can finesse this dress, whether it's like buttoning it up tighter or like even unsewing the buttons and bringing them in a little bit tighter. Just because I feel like this dress is super duper cute, and it's definitely really sweet and romantic with all the lace, and you can kind of see through and stuff. So I love the look of it, but again, the fit of this one particularly was just a little bit weird for me. And then the last item, so I recently changed my Instagram to be a lot more like brown chocolate tones and white tones versus like the full-on orangey beigey tones that I used to have. And when I saw this top, I was like, I need this shirt just for my Instagram. Because number one, I actually don't have anything in a chocolatey brown color. Number two, I love a good satin shirt that is just like my vibe and what I love to wear. And this is so interesting because it only buttons right here in the front, and then it opens up into like a slit here. So I'm gonna show you two different ways that I would wear it. I would tuck one side in, or I would just tie a knot with the front, which I think is a lot of fun. It's super duper soft and silky for an everyday look. I'd wear it with white jeans. I'd wear this with like a skirt. I feel like there's so many different ways you can pair this up. So yeah, I'm so happy with this item and I love it so much. So that is everything that I have to show you guys for today's Valentine's Day try on haul. I hope you did enjoy this. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. That definitely helps me out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, or you want to see more try on hauls and more bra videos, more makeup videos, more everything, then make sure you're staying subscribed and staying tuned. Turn your bell notification button on so that you get notified when I do post. Otherwise, if you want to see me on a more day-to-day basis, make sure you're following me on Instagram. And I want to say again, a big thanks to Boohoo for all of these gorgeous clothes. Like, I'm so grateful to be able to do this and receive these kinds of items and share with you guys. And honestly, I want to be completely transparent with you guys. A lot of this stuff that I do receive, I try my best to find someone or give it away somehow for the things that I don't keep. That's everything that I have to share with you guys today. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day and you have so much fun. Let me know what your Valentine's Day plans are in the comments down below. I hope you guys are having a great day. I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!